Soft rain sounds blend with a calming Japanese massage atmosphere. A quiet spa setting feels cozy and deeply relaxing on a rainy day. Gentle ASMR rain tones help the mind slow down naturally. Slow breathing begins to release tension from the body. Hands move smoothly with mindful and steady rhythm. Japanese massage techniques emphasize calm and balance. Light touch supports relaxation without stimulation. Rainy day ambience enhances comfort and emotional ease. Each movement follows a soft and unhurried pace. Natural pauses allow the body to sink into rest. Breathing becomes deeper as rain sounds continue. The nervous system feels supported and safe. Subtle ASMR elements reduce mental noise. Muscle tension slowly fades away. The spa environment feels warm and peaceful. Rain outside adds a sense of shelter and calm. This routine promotes rest and gentle awareness. Rainy day spa ASMR encourage relaxation, balance, and quiet comfort.